place where I am going to is repackr.com. repackr.com. Okay, so this here is the website I go to that's going to help me build my individual cells and make sure all these cells are balanced in a battery together. Ooh, I thought I was going to be off hold for a second. Just grab one, look at my number on there. This one's 2342, comma, space. Put it in there. And I have a few extras. I have 100 and I need 112, and I think I have like 120 some. So there's some, if they're going to be kind of iffy, I'm going to put them over there, and then I'm going to go through those at the very end and make sure. So this one's 2443. Next one. And I'm definitely going to run out of space in this, but that's okay. I'll find something else. See, these don't have a whole lot. Like, I don't know if you can see this one here. It says it's only $16.90. But I know this is a brand new cell. I've got like 14 of these. And see, look at that resistance is at 12. And I've got some that are even better than that, like 8. So I know these are like brand new batteries. And I saw what I got them out of. I'm going to use them in there. But I'm going to make sure these get separated. So that, oh, I didn't put this one in 1/6. I know. I'm going to make sure that they get kind of spaced out between other packs. Once I get this done and it generates my packs for me, I can go in there and make a few changes here and there. You know, and just kind of get these cells spread out. Like, I know that there are some cells in here that, like, there's these green ones that for some reason, they didn't get hot, but they don't have a very high discharge rate. So I'm going to make sure not to have too many of these in one pack, like just one each pack. And then, like I said, these, I'm going to make sure these are spread out. And anything else like that I can think of. This one, 2450. And that's not a typo. That's, holy shit, that's a good cell. 70 resistance. And also another thing when I'm going through, and I'm going to make sure that I kind of, if this pack seems to have a lot of high resistance ones, I might switch and swap a few to make sure that the resistances kind of stay close. Alright. Alright guys, I've got them all bagged up. I went over them twice because even though I thought I did them perfect, there was some that were mixed up and some that were matched and some that were mismatched. So I got them all squared away. This took me a little while. It was a little bit monotonous, but it was worth it. Now I have 14 packs to make my 52 volt battery. Now it's time to start hot gluing them together. Okay, here's the way I got them set up. Now this is, it doesn't matter what number, but this is series number 8. So what I did is I went and I kind of know these cells a little bit, so what I did is the iffiest ones I put on the outside. So this is what I got at Walmart. It's a real cheap high temp glue gun, mini glue gun. It was literally less than $3 I think. And then these sticks, I think they were $5 or something like that. Hopefully it works. I wasn't going to get anything too expensive. Just a hot glue gun. So there it is. It's got the little thing that pushes it forward. It's pretty cheap, but I think it'll work. It's extremely cheap, but I think it'll work. I'm going to do it. It's kind of hard to do it here so you guys can see, but I'm not going to go crazy with it.
Come on. Getting headlines.
Sure, buddy. Don't hot glue this last one in, brah. I won't, dude. I'm gonna kind of hold it there. Oh, dang it. I wanted this green one to the outside, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I got them all pushed up too? Probably not. Let's feed this in here. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to do this one. use this, nothing but the best. Huh, a little high up, but whatever. There. Alright, so here's the battery pack. Obviously I'm going to need more. Not a whole lot more, but I got to do the other side yet. So I did get some cut. I don't know how exactly for sure I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to just go this one straight over. Put this one straight on there like that. And then run the little wires over to it. I could go in between and then just run the wires. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to solder a spot on all the ends. I gotta get more light. Alright guys, after lots of hard work and ingenuity and first time no skills, I got this baby done. It looks confusing. If you're looking at me for advice on how to build your battery, I've got basically 3 battery packs in one. This one is a 5S, this one is a 5S, and this one is a 4S, giving me a total of 14S when they're tied together. Right now they're not tied together. Basically all you got to remember guys is to keep going positive to negative, because now this is, instead of 3.7 volts, this is what, 7.2 volts. But all I'm doing is I'm going like this and I'm making a tie from there to there, but I've just got all these batteries tied together so they're stronger as one. But that's all you got to remember. I've got it doing this basically 14 times in this pack, and now when I tie them together I've got the power of positive of this one and the negative of this one back on the underside, and I'm going to put this positive one into this negative one, and then this positive one. It seems really confusing, but once you start doing it, it's not that bad. And this is I got these little black marks to tell me which one goes where. It looks like I'm upside down here or something. There we go. It goes just like this. So this is going to tie into here. This is going to tie into here. I know this isn't the best wire and stuff, but man, this is my first battery. Give me a break. Alright, and then I tie this one into here. And now, coming out of here is what? Nominal 52 volts. Fully charged. Full charge, it'll be 58.7 volts. And nominal, what is it, 3.7 times 14. Nominal will be 51.8. Okay, and the reason I have it split up into 3 batteries is because my RC balance charger only goes up to, was it 6S? Oh boy. I'm gonna check this one here. Hopefully you guys will be able to see it. They make them wires so short. But okay, I don't know if you can see that or not. Hopefully you can. There's cell number 1 as 90%, 4.092. Cell number 2 is 4.053 at 85%. Cell number 3 is 4.040 at 83%. Cell number 4, see these are not balanced very good, is 4.123, and 5 is 4.107. So this is the pack that I have not balanced charged yet. And then it tells me the full pack is 20.41 volts right now. I think all my solders are solid though. If I had to do it again, I'd use thinner bars. These are kind of thick. They work good for in between, but down on this end it was really tough. The solders don't look good, but they're really solid. So the battery pack is pretty much done, guys. Good enough. It's going to be going inside of a box anyway. Like, I don't know. I got to find a box that'll fit this good. Alright, so I'm going to balance charge this, and then I've got something to show you. I didn't buy a new bike, but guess what I found? Alright guys, this is my find. I drove a little ways to get it, but the lady was selling it for $84, and it's basically brand new. I don't know if you can see that, but there's nubs still on the tire. So that's it.